Hey, I'm Anders.
And I'm Rob.
And I'm very excited that you bought yourself an AccuFlo and ProCenter Plus. You also will get an air dryer.
The startup guide is a step-by-step instruction guide to show you how easy it is to assemble. Now we're going to show you how to route the nozzle into the ProCenter Plus. You unravel, and then you place it into the pre-drilled hole, and it goes right into the workstation. And it's that simple. Thanks, Anders.
Absolutely.
So now we're going to show you how to connect the vent line to the ProCenter Plus. So we're going to unscrew this, and then we're going to add the blue quick connect, and then this is just going to pop on right here, and then we just screw the quick connect on, give it a little tug, and it's that simple.
So remember I was telling you earlier about the air dryer. So we're going to connect that now.
And then we're just going to line up the holes and then screw in the Phillips screws.
This is probably the only part you're going to need an extra person.
After the top two are in place, you just need to raise the air dryer to access the bottom two.
Then we'll take that short tube from the ProCenter Plus in the back. We'll connect that in the back, and this one will connect right there. Tug on it from the outside just a little bit. You know it's going to be okay.
We're going to connect this from the air dryer to the AccuFlo itself. It just pushes in, just simple as that. Give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. And then we're going to also connect it into the air dryer. You just push in, push out, just pull back, just to make sure it's secure, and you're good to go.
This is a desiccant air dryer. We do fill this bowl in here with desiccant that will come with the package.
I'm just going to pour in the desiccant beads.
Okay, so we got this far. Now we're going to just install it back with the desiccant poured on the inside. And it's probably the hardest part is getting this in correctly.
Nice work, Anders.
That was difficult.
Now we're going to show you how to connect your shop air to the ProCenter Plus. And then all we're going to do is install. And as you can hear, the system is pressurized. So now we're going to show you how easy it is to connect the power cord to the ProCenter Plus. We're just going to connect right there. And this will go into your 115 volt electrical outlet.
Here's the power for the AccuFlo to the ProCenter Plus. It's kind of short, so you'll know exactly which one it is. The one that is female will go on the AccuFlo. The male one will drop down right here, right in the center. And you're ready to go. So you're gonna see on the back of the ProCenter Plus, there's gonna be 3 cords. This one here is the fan cord. It's pre-installed.
Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to attach the foot pedal to the AccuFlo. And then we're going to route this, which is the foot pedal, underneath, and it's that simple. Thanks, Anders. So one of the final steps is we're going to show you how to level the ProCenter Plus using a 3/16 Allen wrench key. All you're going to do is you're going to insert it into the screw, as so, and then we're going to turn clockwise. And then we're going to do it on the opposite side, and then kind of jostle it back and forth to make sure it is level, which it is.
There are a couple buttons. You're gonna always want to power on your ProCenter Plus first. There you go. Want to also make sure that your tank cover is on properly for your AccuFlo prior to putting the power on. There you go, that's it. We're complete. Setup is done.